video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Apple Airpods script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, we have to mention the price over here, which is 0. Then click on I want this. Now you have to enter the email over here and get the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, go to shared, then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. As you can see, the name of the item is BMTB pods. The framework is going to be auto and the inventory is going to be auto over here. And the minimum volume, maximum volume, fixed distance, everything you can configure from here. So I'll be keeping them default for now. And there are much more things which you can configure on this file. If you're using aux inventory, then you can find the items.lua over here. But if you're using QBCore inventory, then you have to go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now come to the very bottom line of the code. So I'll put the item's name in the description below. You just need to copy it from there and paste it over here. Just like this. Now for the items image, you just need to go to QB inventory, HTML, images, then paste the image over here. Just like this. You can find this image on my Discord server. The link is in the description below. Before starting up the server, make sure to delete the dependency of the script, which is the X sound. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. Now extract the file into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the master from the name. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's give ourselves the AirPods over here. So this is the item over here. Now let's use the item. So this is the user interface of the pods over here. As you can see, you can adjust the volume by clicking over here. So this is the setting button for the AirPods over here. By clicking over here, you can change the theme of the user interface. Just like this, as you can see. Now if you want to listen to the music, you have to paste the YouTube's URL over here. So I'll be pasting the link over here. After that, click on play. So as you can see, the music has been played over here. You can listen to the music wherever you go. The important thing is, you are the only one who can hear the music. If anyone comes much closer to you, then that player can also hear the music as well. If you want to stop the music, just simply use the AirPods, then click on clear. That's it. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.